At a catfish tournament on Wheeler Lake, Alabama in 2023, the second-place finisher weighed in 37 pounds of channel catfish in 5 hours of fishing. He used premium-cut shad purchased fresh that morning for $12 per bag from the local bait shop. 2 bags, $24 in live bait alone. The winner weighed in 52 pounds, 15 pounds more than second place. 5 hours of fishing from the same stretch of river, same water temperature, same current speed, same time of day, same species targeted. After the weigh-in, the winner opened his bait cooler in the parking lot in front of 6 other competitors standing right there watching. Inside the cooler was a single package of regular hot dogs from the grocery store deli section. Bar S brand, $1.48 at the Walmart on Highway 72. 6 anglers stared at that package of hot dogs in total silence. 2 of them had spent over $30 each on premium cut shad and live minnows that morning. One had driven 45 minutes to a specialty bait shop to buy fresh chicken livers at $8 per container. The winner spent $1.48 at the Walmart checkout on the way to the launch ramp. Today we are showing you the exact hot dog technique that tournament catfish anglers across the American South have been using quietly for decades, while the live bait industry sells you $30 buckets of shad that die in your live well before noon. This is American Fishing Essentials, and this $1.48 package of grocery store hot dogs will outfish every premium live bait option at the tackle shop, by a margin that the bait industry has been desperately trying to hide from recreational anglers for over 50 years. The reason hot dogs catch fish has nothing to do with taste, and everything to do with 3 specific chemical compounds created during the manufacturing process that no fresh bait can replicate: sodium nitrite, garlic powder, and liquid smoke flavoring. These 3 compounds combine to create a scent profile in water that triggers aggressive feeding response in catfish, carp, and bluegill simultaneously. The first compound is sodium nitrite. Every commercially manufactured hot dog in America contains sodium nitrite as a curing agent and preservative. When sodium nitrite dissolves in lake or river water, it breaks down into nitric oxide and nitrous acid, both of which mimic the chemical signature of decomposing animal tissue in the water column. Catfish have over 250,000 chemoreceptor cells distributed across their entire body surface from nose to tail. Every one of those cells is calibrated by evolution to detect decomposing organic matter, because dead and dying prey is the primary food source for channel catfish across every river system in North America. Sodium nitrite from a hot dog triggers those 250,000 receptors simultaneously with a signal that reads as decomposing prey. The second compound is garlic powder. Hot dog manufacturers add garlic powder to the seasoning blend in virtually every brand sold in American grocery stores. When garlic dissolves in water, it releases allicin, a sulfur-based compound that produces the same amino acid scent profile as distressed baitfish, releasing stress hormones into the surrounding water. The combination of sodium nitrite mimicking decomposition and garlic allicin mimicking baitfish distress creates a dual signal in the water column that no single natural bait can produce on its own. Dead shad produces decomposition signals only. Live minnows produce distress signals only. A hot dog produces both simultaneously from a single piece of bait that costs less than a dime per chunk. The third compound is liquid smoke flavoring added during the manufacturing process. Liquid smoke contains guaiacol and syringol, 2 phenolic compounds that are present in the smoke from natural wood fires. These phenolic compounds create a scent trail in water that catfish associate with terrestrial food sources washed into rivers during rain events and flooding. After every rainstorm, terrestrial insects, worms, and small animals wash off the bank into the river, carrying trace amounts of organic smoke compounds from decomposing wood and leaf litter on the forest floor. Catfish have learned over millions of years of evolution that the presence of phenolic smoke compounds in the water means food has washed in from the bank. Liquid smoke in a hot dog replicates that exact signal artificially. Sodium nitrite says dead prey is nearby. Garlic allicin says distressed prey is nearby. Liquid smoke says food washed in from the bank. 3 simultaneous feeding signals from a single 1-inch chunk of processed meat that costs 8 cents. No commercial bait product on Earth delivers 3 independent feeding triggers from a single application at any price. The correct cut is 3/4-inch chunks sliced straight across the hot dog. Not lengthwise strips. Not whole hot dog sections. 3/4-inch cubes that expose the maximum interior surface area to the water for scent dispersion while maintaining enough structural integrity to stay on the hook through multiple casts. Thread the circle hook through the center of the chunk from one flat side through to the other. The hook point should barely emerge from the opposite side. The hot dog chunk needs to compress slightly around the hook shank to grip securely during the cast. Do not push the hook point completely through. Leave it barely exposed so the circle hook rotates into the corner of the fish mouth on the strike. But before we get to the advanced modifications that tournament anglers use to increase the effectiveness even further, something important you need to hear right now. The standard grocery store hot dog straight from the package catches fish consistently without any modification at all. The 3-compound chemistry is already built into every hot dog you buy regardless of brand. Bar S. Oscar Mayer. Nathan's. Store brand. The manufacturing process that creates sodium nitrite, adds garlic, and infuses liquid smoke is universal across the American hot dog industry. The complete hot dog modification system, including 3 advanced soaking recipes that amplify each compound independently, plus 9 other forbidden bait formulas, are inside the Forbidden Baits add-on for the Angler's Vault. The Catfish Killer Dough, the Ivory Soak Trick, the WD-40 Hack, and 7 other formulas the bait industry hopes you never discover. The full Vault archive also includes salooner feeding windows that predict the exact 40-minute window when catfish feeding peaks, barometric pressure forecasting, water temperature science showing why hot dogs work best above 65 degrees. The 10 fatal mistakes, essential knots and rigs for bottom fishing. The annual fishing calendar. Click the first link in the description below this video. Scan the QR code in the top left corner right now. $14.90. One-time payment. No subscription. Yours forever. But stay right here, because the 3 advanced modifications coming up next are what separate the tournament winners from the recreational anglers who throw a plain hot dog chunk on the bottom and hope for the best. Modification 1. The Kool-Aid Soak. Dissolve 1 packet of cherry Kool-Aid in half a cup of warm water in a sealed plastic bag. Drop your pre-cut hot dog chunks into the solution and seal the bag overnight in the refrigerator. The citric acid from the cherry Kool-Aid penetrates the hot dog surface, adding a 4th chemical compound that creates a localized pH change in the water surrounding your bait. The cherry-dyed hot dog now delivers 4 simultaneous feeding triggers. Sodium nitrite for decomposition. Garlic allicin for baitfish distress. Liquid smoke for terrestrial wash-in, and citric acid for pH modification that activates catfish chemoreceptors at extended range. 4 signals from a bait that costs 11 cents per chunk after the Kool-Aid is added. Modification 2. The Garlic Boost. Hot dogs already contain garlic powder in the seasoning blend, but the concentration is formulated for human taste, not for fish chemoreception. Adding 2 tablespoons of additional garlic powder directly to your cut chunks in a sealed container and shaking to coat every surface increases the allicin concentration by over 300% compared to the stock hot dog. The boosted garlic coating creates a visible cloud of allicin dispersion the moment the chunk hits the water. Catfish detect the amplified garlic signal from distances exceeding 30 feet in moving current. The standard unboosted hot dog produces a detectable signal at approximately 10 feet. Triple the detection range for 2 tablespoons of a spice that costs less than 50 cents. Modification 3. Room temperature presentation. Most anglers keep their hot dogs in a cooler on ice and bait up with cold chunks straight from the cold pack. Cold bait releases scent compounds at a significantly slower rate than warm bait because molecular dispersion decreases as temperature drops. Remove your pre-cut hot dog chunks from the cooler 30 minutes before you plan to start fishing. Let them reach ambient air temperature on the dock or tailgate. Room temperature hot dog chunks release scent compounds into the water at approximately 3 times the rate of ice-cold chunks during the first 10 minutes of submersion. The first 10 minutes are the critical window when catfish detect, locate, and approach the bait source. The Wheeler Lake tournament winner used all 3 modifications together. Cherry Kool-Aid soak overnight. Heavy garlic powder coating in the morning. Room temperature presentation from the bank. 52 pounds of channel catfish on $1.48 of hot dogs, modified with 63 cents of Kool-Aid and garlic powder. Hot dogs are not catfish exclusive. The sodium nitrite and garlic compounds trigger feeding response in carp and bluegill as well. Carp respond primarily to the garlic allicin component. Bluegill respond primarily to the liquid smoke phenolic compounds. One bait that catches 3 species that most anglers use 3 different expensive baits to target separately. The average active catfish angler spends $360 per season on live bait, commercial attractants, and prepared stink baits. One package of hot dogs per trip at $1.48 across 12 trips per season costs $17.76 total. $342 returned to your pocket every single year, fishing the exact same water for the exact same species. Live shad die in your bucket by 10 in the morning on a summer day. Chicken livers fall apart after 2 casts. Night crawlers drown and lose scent within 30 minutes of submersion. Hot dogs maintain structural integrity and continuous scent release for over 45 minutes per chunk in water temperatures above 65 degrees. One chunk of hot dog outlasts 3 applications of any natural bait option on the market. All 3 hot dog modifications, plus the complete catfish killer dough recipe, plus 8 other forbidden bait formulas are inside the Forbidden Baits add-on for the Angler's Vault. Click the first link in the description. Scan the QR code right now, $14.90. One-time payment, yours forever. $1.48, 52 pounds of channel catfish. First place at Wheeler Lake. 3 chemical compounds built into every hot dog in America by a manufacturing process designed for human lunch meat that accidentally created the most effective catfish bait ever documented in tournament competition. The bait industry spends $40 million a year convincing you that you need premium cut shad, specialty stink baits, and laboratory-formulated attractants to catch catfish consistently. The answer has been sitting in the deli section of every grocery store in America for over 100 years at $1.48 per package. If this changes what you bring to the river this weekend, hit the like button so the algorithm pushes this to every catfish angler who is still spending $30 on live bait that dies by noon. What brand of hot dog have you used? Drop it in the comments below. This has been American Fishing Essentials. See you on the water.